Did you see that black house? See? Yan siya. I just woke up, guys. Good morning or good afternoon. Good evening there where you are. Ito, tingnan nyo. May gumawa ng cottage. Tapos meron din doon sa baba. Here is the other one. This is the new one. But that what I says before, that it was a cottage down there. Not so far. That's the first cottage. In here, I think it's new. I haven't seen this before. Last time I was here. This is a cottage. So there is a table inside. Look. You see? You see the table? This is for kids. It's very nice. Very cozy. And here they made some swing. You can swing here. There is nobody here yet because it's early. Yeah. And you can swing your, see, it's very nice. I haven't seen this cottage before, but I know there is another down here, but we can go there. I'm gonna show you. Bye bye cottage. Sinsya na ha, kasi naputol na naman kanina yung ano ko. Doon sa baba. Kakagising ko lang kasi. Nasabi ko, mag-video kaya ako ngayon. Early morning. Kasi ano yung mamaya, try ko maligo ako doon sa beach. Para i-try ko kung mainit ba talaga yung tubig kahit ang init, kasi ang tubig kasi sabi nila it's gonna be nice weather today more than yesterday. Yesterday it was 22 degree, so naiinitan ako hirap pala pag medyo mataba ka, no? Kasi no, it's difficult when you're a little bit chubby because you're sweaty. You're sweating. Here, also nice when you go there. It's always a way. There is also cottage there, but I don't like to go there. Maybe there is a lot of some animals that I don't like. But here, I'm gonna show you. It's okay lang. It's okay that I make this video like this. But we'll see when I get my stand, so I can take more all. You can see but not only this kind of video I will make it. I'm gonna make also mukbang later, and then some other things, not only here this kind of video that looking inside the woods, but it's, you know, I like it very much because it's like clearing your mind when you have lot of stress. This is helping you to go out and have a walk and just relax. So this is a nice way to clear up your mind. It's help for stress. It's like you imitate yourself and you can breathe it very nice or good. Kaya kayo dyan, gusto nyo hindi makakatulong yung mababawasan pala yung stress nyo minsan, maglakad kayo kahit konti, kahit saan, Oh, dito di ba maganda doon? Yun. Kaya, next video, maybe I swimming. But I try it. So, it's gonna be fun if I really do it. As you can see, we are near that cottage already. It's a new, also new, but this is not finished painting yet. See, there are a lot of parents who like to make or help their kids to make this cottage on the wood, because then the kids can play here when they have free from the school. So it's good that there is a parents that take their time for their kids. Otherwise, people around the world is always busy for making money, do their stuff, and sometimes they have no time for the family because they just go and do lot of works and their things, you know. So here, before is didn't have here. It was only table, but now a lot of cracks, like a glass, because sometimes this there are a teenager, you know, is coming here and take the beer, because sometimes when I walk here there is a lot of bottles. So I think some teenager used to sit here in the weekend and have their, they call it, pour spell drink before they go out to the club or something, or to the disco. Yung mga bata, yung mga ano ba, yung mga dalaga, binata, pupunta dito pag weekend bago sila magpunta sa diskuhan, yung ganon. Umiinom muna sila dito para medyo mura ba, kasi pag pupunta ka ng inuman or discotheque, diskuhan, mahal kaya yung inumin doon. Kaya dito medyo umiinom muna sila, bumibili sila sa store, tapos pag inom nila medyo lasing na sila, kunti na lang yung bibili nila doon sa sa diskuhan. Tingnan mo yung bahay, look this cottage. We want to see inside. Here, see, in the Philippines, it's already, some people already can have that, like a house in the province, a little bit small, but I think in the province you can move the wall a little bit longer, maybe half or 1 meter more, and then it's gonna be a family house for those people who are in the province. But here is only a playing cottage for the kids. So yeah, this is my next video today. But I will see which one is useful, so I can post it. Maybe you miss me already, huh? Because I'm not so very I'm not so very quick to make videos and post it on. I have to think first if I have to post it or posted it or not. It's just the way I am. If I do something, I have to think twice, 10 times before I do things, because then you can have control, and if before you do something, I want to be sure that is that's what I want, you know. So today I'm gonna go and pick up my stand and my lights, ring lights. So maybe it's gonna be better when I making my next video mukbang, because I like food. So I'm gonna show you that. Here now is it's the end of this woods. Here is very nice too, because this is a land that the grass, they cut it and then make it roll, and save that for all, for the whole year, food for the cow, and every hayop, ano nga ba yun? Yung para sa hayop, yung mga, baka, here. Yeah. So there is a lot of sun, rain. That's why the grass is growing up so fast and nice. So they have a lot of foods this whole year, the animals. Next time I will show you the Norwegian kambing. Ano ba yun? Goat. Norwegian goat. We call it lamb. Sow. Lamb is I think is the mother, and lamb is the kid. Yeah. So also they have some lot of nice flower here. Some of the grass you can eat like salad. My Norwegian colleague or my co-work, she always have with her. I asked her, what is that? And she said, this is salad. You can take it from the forest. So really, and what's the name? And I think that one, the one with the white flowers, the leaves. She bring that and she eat. She put bread on it, and she said it's like salad. It's like lettuce. So sometimes I said I wanna eat also. I want to take also because it's free. You can just go around and pick up your leaves or salad. I think this one, but because of the corona, I don't want to taste it. I have to bring this to my co-work and ask her if this one, if it's the right leaves, because she is very good on leaves outside the nature. She have, I know this, I think this one, because it's like, like masarap to siguro ilagay sa yung tinulang manok. Kaso lang natatakot pa ako kung ito ba nga talaga, pero ito yung mukha eh. Kaya sabi ko, pag tapos ko mag vacation, when my vacation is done, I will bring this to her, bring it at work, and I will ask her if this is the right one, because I want to come here and pick up some salad, or if I pick up like this, I can make some tinola. Tinola sa Philippines, tinulang manok, lalo na yung Bisaya. So sarap nun. Oo. Kaya guys, maraming salamat sa panunood ninyo sa video kong ito. Okay? Please subscribe my channel, Filipina Green Life in Norway. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and follow me. Till the next video again. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.